drizzle of olive oil. Good drizzle. Chicken. Oh. Good. Ground curry leaves. Oh yeah. Oh. Spirit pot. It's chopping. Proper knives in the sink. Our kitchens are right on. So good. I'm going to put this in the pot and come back for more. Okay. Now I'm going to be dumping in a bunch of vegetables. Cabbage, carrot, and onion. Huh. It always falls in there. Okay. Second, garlic. ginger powder. Lots of garlic. So you can see in here, not too much in the way of broth, but I add a tablespoon of this stuff. It's going to make it taste really nice. Now, spices are in the chicken. I'll add spices throughout. I will not add turmeric or all I curry to this. Hang on. In the freezer, 2 little mini packs, please. That's gonna go in here. Ready? Nope. Oh goodness, I'm gonna need to run this underwater. Maybe that. It's a crappy freezer. Peas on the floor. Please don't pee on my floor. There we go. So cabbage and carrots and onions and garlic, and just a little hint of this. Actually, just to get some beans and carrots. A little more. There we go. That'll be fine. I'm going to turn this down. The meat's cooked. We just want the vegetables cooked. 1 sec. Curry. Just gonna bumps. To be really generous with this. This is not authentic at all. It's I don't know. I cook with my heart and what's in my fridge and my freezer, as you can tell. I do want to say at the very end, I will add a little bit more water. Turn it down right now to 4. Add some more water. There we go. Perfect. Down to 4. Let it cook, defrost. Lots of peas in there. The vegetables are so healthy. They're also low carb except for the carrots, but pay that no mind if you don't want. It's just, let me show you. This is how big the chicken is. So it's kind of a nice size. And if Paul doesn't want all the chicken in there, then he can pick it off and give it to me, and I'm fine with that. Lots of veggies. I'll season it with a tiny bit of soy. I might change my mind. Who knows? I'm going to thicken it with a cornstarch and water, and let it, that's when it's cooked, and just let it simmer. I might thicken it pretty soon too, because when it's cooking all day, what happens? 225, so 228. What's going to happen is they sort of merge together. The cabbage doesn't take long to cook. The carrots they're thin. The ones that I did them in the processor. I'll show you. They're this thick. So, processor's really great. See? Oh my goodness. That's delicious and crunchy. So good. So, yeah. It's gonna cook down. When it does, brings out the juices in the onion. So good. Really tastes like garlic in there too. Yummy. I'll adjust the spices after I thicken it up. And I'll serve it with some rice. Paul will have the rice. And me, I'll just have a cup of this good stuff. And enjoy it with a nice spoon. So, that's what's for dinner, y'all. And I did wash the pot, but I didn't wash the lid. Anyway, so I'll be babysitting this anyway because I'm going to be in my kitchen cooking, and I'll record that. And thank you all for being here. This stuff is really super healthy. You can put any vegetable you want. You can use onion and cabbage and apple. Throw it in. Make a curry. Just add some, curry powder. If you don't have curry leaves at your store, don't worry about it. You don't have to have that. There's more Indians, like East Indians and Pakistans in my neighborhood, so I have the freedom to get it. But Paul really likes this, and he doesn't like the cumin. It's ground up, but he loves this. Shajira, I think, I don't know. Oh, I didn't get into that, did I? Oh no, I did. Actually, I think I got quite a bit of it. So I'll put one of these chip things on it, put them back, and just let it sit here. Kind of medium heat. Now it's on 4. Just let it sit. I'll stir it every now and then. But again, I'll be in the kitchen. I don't like to leave my stuff on the stove. And if you want to use whatever kind of meat you have, you've got ground beef. I'm telling you, you need a little bit. If you want to use beef, you can make this vegetarian. It's completely up to you. You don't have to follow anything. I'm not a teacher. I'm just making food and recording a video. All right, love you guys. Bye.